Welcome to Noir Tube. In today's topic, we are going to find out why Gambella government is failing to bring peace to the people of Gambella. If you are new to this channel, I would like you to share it with others or help me by subscribing to this Noir Tube English version YouTube channel. The Gambella government support the Anuak terrorists indirectly, creating an environment of fear and oppression for the Nuer people. Some Nuer politicians are being paid off not to speak on behalf of their community. And that is the reason why the Nuer people are suffering in every corner of Gambella. The lack of honest representation has led to widespread neglect and abuse. How many times the Nuer been killed? How many times the Nuer have been killed in Gambella? These Anuak terrorists, their main agenda is to eliminate Nuer, is to kill as many Nuer as possible. They do not want peace to prevail in Gambella. And the Gambella government is contributing to this. We the youth been talking about peace in Gambella. We were calling our very own Nuer politicians to speak out, to ask these people who are killing our people for no reason. But none of these Nuer politicians never want to carry out what they're supposed to be doing, because their work is supposed to help the Nuer community that are being killed under their watch, and they are not doing anything. Gambella Nuer are suffering. South Sudanese Nuer in refugee camps in Gambella are also suffering. Yet the Nuer in Gambella government, who are supposed to be leader of the Nuer community in Gambella, do not care about the people. They are more concerned with maintaining their positions and benefit rather than addressing the grievances and need of their community. Many times, Nuer have been killed, and yet this leader have never speak about it. The government and local authorities don't want anyone to speak out about what our people in Gambella are facing. Any attempt to raise awareness or seek justice are met with intimidation and violence. The Nuer community is living in constant fear, unable to freely express their concern or seek help. Educational opportunities are also limited. Work are also limited, where they don't give job to somebody who is not their relatives or somebody who is not part of their tribe, especially the Anuak people. They do not give job to Nuer people. This is also one factor that contributing to cycle of poverty and despair. Many children are unable to attend school due to insecurity, because always there is insecurity in Gambella. The unfair distribution of clinical equipment within Gambella, and this is caused by the Anuak people and by the Nuer leader that only put money forward rather than serving their own people. The situation in Gambella is dire, and immediate action is needed to address the injustice and bring peace and stability to the region. The international community must be made aware of this issue to apply pressure on the Gambella government and support effort to protect and uplift the Nuer people, because Nuer being marginalized for a very long time, where they are not being cared like any others tribe in Gambella. But this is caused by the way the leaders, the Nuer leaders, put money as a shell, or the way they secure their position without even caring for the people.